This is the problem with siblings right here. I asked her to pour me a glass of cool drink and she pours me literally this much. I don't even know what you call it. Is it a tot or what? Seriously? Seriously? Are you serious? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning! Good morning! Who came to the beach but doesn't want to step on the sand. We're at the beach. It's a little cold actually, but I'm starting to feel the warmth. I'm in a cardigan, that's why. It's a little cold, but there's actually people playing in the water, like gang people, babies, old people. So I'm starting to feel like a little nervous. We're going to go to a different beach later on, so yeah, hopefully then later.
Right there, Mama.
Here it comes. We're gonna go in. We're at a different beach now. We're gonna go in over there. Yo. Somewhere there. Not there, but maybe there. More like there. We're just in the water with my sister, and you can tell from
the water.
Can I just finish my sentences though? Anyway, you could tell from the fact that I wore shades when I went there that my intentions were not to go under. But I did get wet. Money, 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 money. Let's go. Beach snacks. We're done at the beach now. We're just getting something to eat. It's cold. There's cold wind. I had to change. My clothes were too wet. I wore dress instead. What you order versus what you receive. Good morning. This child. What's up? Today we're going just gallivanting pretty much at malls and casinos, and we're going gambling with my parents, so it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm just kidding. But we are going to a casino to check out the joint.
There's 10 bowling.
And probably go bowling. Yeah, that will be fun. So because today's weather, it's a little unpredictable. We're planning to go to a water park, but what happened was the weather was not so clear. Even now, like, the sun is out, but it's cloudy. So there's the sun and there's the clouds. They are the clouds. Hopefully we're going to have a lot of fun where we're going anyway. I'm feeling a little tired and the gate is doing the most. I don't know, I'm feeling tired. I think I slept too much. I feel so tired when I sleep too much. I'm wearing a hairnet because I'm going to ride a Segway with my little sister, so that should be interesting, although I can't take my camera because I'm scared I'm gonna drop it or something. I don't know.
My name is Yanga. It's ever traditional gold. Stepping off, I sit up on the front, sideways. Step in the
Alright, just.
Which way?
How? To me, when you're not
I
listening.
was listening. I was just.
Lean forward, it goes forward.
I see it.
Go for it.
And it back,
Okay.
the
now
brake.
I get it.
And then left, just to the left. Mahlad is still struggling. What are you panicking out to me? Oh. Bye. Mahlad nga ba sa salmura o struggle? Here they are, riding.
This is a video, remember?
I know. I'm trying to.
Make sure at the side, right? To control on a helipad.
How was the journey?
It was so much fun. It was scary though, but it was fun.
Scary, Mahlad. How was it? You fell? Yo.
Mom, no hands.
Here is 2 minutes, she's going to alight now.
Daddy, they have a cookie slap. That segue was a lot of fun. It was a little scary sometimes when the road got bumpy or uphill or downhill. But we had a lot of fun. My sister fell, so that was epic. I don't think I've mentioned where we are. We are at Mac Banana. Now we're moving on to the next thing. We're thinking zipline.
Hi guys. I'm just scared. There they are. They'll go down now via the cable. The cable ride must be scary. Oh, I'm not going this. I'm not so long. Tumi's coming now. Tumi's coming now. Tumi, why are you? I can't see you on the video. Where's Tumi? I'm trying to capture you on the video. Oh, there you are. There you are. They're back now.
That was so much fun. The zip line was so much fun. Although I dirtied my shoes. I kicked back with my shoe, with the back of my foot, and then my shoe got dirty, like real. And it's the one. At least if it was both, it would be fashion. But it was fun. I don't know if my dad got a video, but he was taking videos, so I think it's there. I was so scared at first because I've never done anything like that, but it was actually quite fun. I'd do it 10 times more, but it's expensive, so twice will do. Look at that husband's bench. So people are going shopping here, then the husbands can sit. That's so cute. I really think we should all sit on the husband's bench. We've been waiting for my mom. We're just sitting here, myself, my dad, and my sister. Oh, there she comes.
Yeah, no, 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 yeah.
today, and we have a very early morning tomorrow, so this is where I'm gonna end things for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.